ready to learn Tahitian dance, there's little interesting things you should know. Tahitian dance is originally from Tahiti, which I am from, which is the main island of French Polynesia. People are asking me if anyone can dance Tahitian dance, even if you're not Tahitian. And I think that yes, that's totally fine as long as you respect the culture, then anyone can dance. Is there an age to start dancing Tahitian dance? I personally think that anyone at any age can start dancing Tahitian dance, even though it might be easier to start when you're a child, just like we usually do. But I feel that it's okay to start in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, even in your 50s or 60s, as long as you learn the right basics, the right techniques, and you're doing your best, then that's totally fine. Last one for today: can men dance Tahitian dance? And yes, they can, but men movements in Tahitian dance are very different than woman movements, so the men don't dance like we women do, but yes, they can dance Tahitian dance too.